Hi, I'm Brenda, the owner and maker behind Nurtured by Nature Studio. Here is where I make products for my shop. On this channel, I share my small business journey, tips, and tricks. Today, I'm going to share my two methods for making thank you cards. First, I create or edit the card design. You can use Canva for free or Adobe Express, which is super simple to use. I use Illustrator and InDesign, which are both Adobe products and require a paid subscription. If I need the cards right away, I print them at home. I try to use a sturdy cardstock and always a high-res file. I print on 8.5 by 11-inch paper and include 4 cards per design. Next, I cut the cards with a simple paper trimmer. It's a Swingline and I purchased it from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description box below. I use the ruler on top to ensure each card is the right size. In this case, it's 4 by 5.5 inches. I consider this trimmer to be a light duty tool. If you had to do hundreds or thousands of cards, then I would recommend something different. In fact, I do have something different that I can show you in a later video. The last step for me is to round the corners. This simple machine is literally called a corner rounder. I have an industrial version because I also make pocket notebooks. I needed a tool that could handle a higher volume and thick stacks of paper. For me, rounding each card individually wouldn't work, so I needed to invest. I've included a link to this particular item below. This machine is super simple to use. The leverage on the handle makes it easy to cut pretty large stacks. I use this DIY method when I need cards quick, but my preferred method is to send the artwork files to a professional printer, and I'll share that next. There are many printers to choose from, so find one that works best for you. I'm currently using SmartPress. I choose their postcard product and select full color printing on both sides. I also choose a matte finish so I can easily write on the paper without it beating up. It costs about $50 for 250 cards, which for me is worth it. These cards really help elevate my brand and allow me to personalize each order. I also include a discount code for the next purchase and my website URL. Here you can see my most current design. Because I'm not printing at home, I can have a full color background that will print beautifully. The front is the thank you art. The back includes instructions for either apparel care or candle care. This one is for apparel. That's it. My thank you cards are now in my order prep station where I prepare each order's packing slip and fun freebies. I hope this was helpful to you and provided a bit of inspo for your small business. If you like this kind of info, please like and subscribe to my channel. I plan on putting out new videos each week. If you have any questions or would like any more detail, please leave in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and see you soon.